Welcome to Whites Creek Dental. Let us give you a tour of our office. We're located in South Reno, just off Virginia Street. When you arrive, you'll be greeted by our friendly staff and taken quickly back to the treatment room. Here we'll make a plan to reach your goals of maintaining or improving the look, health, and function of your teeth. We'll make sure every appointment that you have is personal, professional, and comfortable. We have blankets, eye masks, headphones, as well as water or snacks if you like. We use modern diagnostic techniques and equipment, including digital radiographs that are accessed instantly and are clear and accurate. We strive to be the people you turn to for anything you need. Please give us a call. We'd love to take care of you.